Making mud pies is fun, even if we can't eat them. All children go through a phase where they are fascinated with playing in the dirt. Throw in a little water, or a lot, and voila, mud pies. Real parents can't refuse to get down in the mud with their little ones and show them how to make the best mud pies. They know that one day that precious child will grow tired of it. Now, Mississippi mud pies are in a completely different category since they are a deliciously decadent chocolate dessert, both edible and fun for all ages. Since kids grow out of their fascination with mud pies, why do grown-ups become enamored with mud? Seriously, why do adults focus so much time and energy on accumulating mud? We work for it, we buy it, we boast about it, and eventually die and hand it off to our children. Of course, I'm not talking about literal mud, but the stuff of life made out of it. Things. There's even a saying about it. He who dies with the most toys wins. Wins what? The dumbest waste of our life award? Today, our Sunday Struggles edition of Morning Minutes in the Bible on An American Missionary is about our all too pervasive fascination with things. Rather than growing up to realize there's more to life than this world, we spend all our time and energy on it as if it will last forever. Instead, we need to have the heart of David, who recognized that whatever good we receive in this life is from God, and the ultimate good is God Himself. That's why he ended Psalm 23 with the ambitious declaration, "And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." Psalm 23, verse 6. What are you seeking in life? The best education possible? Are you looking for a fulfilling and high-paying career? Are you pursuing a loving spouse and happy family life? Are you searching for a great church, for a satisfying worship experience? Those are fine goals, unless we begin seeing them as the ultimate end in and of themselves. Once we make those earthly desires our ultimate aim, we've settled for mud pies that will ultimately leave us empty and unsatisfied. Until we see them as arenas of life, mud pits of life, if you will, designed to prepare us for the ultimate aim, eternity with the ultimate being, God, then we're like little children, happily making mud pies without realizing there's something better. Let's put our mud pies in their place and reach for heaven instead. Thank you for watching this Sunday Struggles edition of Morning Minutes in the Bible on An American Missionary. Until next time, this is James McClenny helping you have a great day.